In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help getting into Yahoo Mail. This is for those times when you cannot remember your password and just need a clear path back into your account. To start, open Yahoo Sign-In Helper. This is a special page from Yahoo that focuses only on recovering access, not regular sign-in. When it loads, you should see the Yahoo logo at the top and a simple box asking for information about your account. Now, in that box, enter your Yahoo email address. Type it carefully, since even one wrong letter can stop the helper from finding your account. If you are unsure about spelling, say it out loud as you type to avoid a common typo. If you do not remember your exact Yahoo address, use your recovery phone number instead. Type the full number, including the country code, if Yahoo usually expects that for your region. On screen, Yahoo may only show the last few digits later, so using the exact number here helps match the right account. Another option is to use your recovery email. This is a different email that you linked to Yahoo earlier for security. When you type it in, make sure the part after the @ sign, like gmail.com or outlook.com, is correct, since that is a frequent mistake. Once you have entered one of those details, click Continue. The button should be just below the text field, and after you click it, the page will change to show the next step. If nothing happens, check for a small error message in red explaining what went wrong with the information you typed. From there, follow the verification steps. Yahoo will suggest ways to prove the account is yours based on the recovery phone or email you set up before. For a phone, you might see an option to receive a code by text, and that code usually appears within a few seconds on your device. For a recovery email, Yahoo sends a message with a verification code or link, and you will need to open that other inbox to get it. Enter the code exactly as shown, since the helper treats every digit and letter very strictly. Once the correct code is accepted, the page will move you forward automatically, without needing to reload. After the verification is accepted, create a new password. You will see two boxes, one for the new password and one to confirm it. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you can still remember, and avoid simple words or birthdays. When both boxes match and you submit, Yahoo immediately updates your account, and from that point you sign in with this new password only. You have now used the Yahoo Sign-In Helper to reset your password and get back into Yahoo Mail. If this walkthrough helped you regain access, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe for more simple email fixes.